This is the elevator at the Kipp Avenue parking garage here in Rutherford, New Jersey.
Woohoo!
Hello, Ricky. First time you're in an elevator video.
Actually, I was technically in one other video. I had blonde hair.
All right.
Yeah, where you look like a weirdo.
I didn't look like a weirdo.
So let's enter. All right. Let's go up to number 3.
Just shh.
Quiet for the motor. One. Wow. That was, I always do it all the time. 2,100 pound capacity. You guys want to be on the camera?
Sure.
Sure.
Hey
Hi.
guys. It's a cab view. And here we are. You guys can get out. I'm taking one more ride if you want.
Alright.
Go.
Come on.
Come on.
One. Let's get a glass view going down actually. Actually no, there's not that much that you can see here. There they are again. We'll give her one more ride. These are do-hers buttons. Here we go. Give you a view out to the 3rd floor actually. Does chime work here? It's the 3rd floor. I hear people coming up. So let's get down to 1. Yeah, just a basic parking deck elevator. Nothing too special or fancy. It's a glass view. There really is nothing outside. So that's kind of why I'm just doing this kind of quick. Here we're at 1. I'm not going to ring the alarm again. Alright, here we're at 1. Looks like that chimed. Let's watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.